Hey, we're back, and today we're gonna make the best blueberry muffins. Andrew loves blueberry muffins, so I'm gonna make him these. He's not here, so it's gonna be a surprise, and hopefully he loves these blueberry muffins. So we'll get started. I'm gonna pull out my KitchenAid mixer, and I'm gonna use that today. Don't mind the dirty dishes. It's been a day, okay? I don't know about you, but I am not good at memorizing recipes, so I always have them just like jotted down in the back of a book. But this recipe is going to start with 2/3 cup sugar, and I couldn't find a 2/3 cup, so I'm just using 1 cup and kind of eyeballing it. That's how I do most of my recipes. Okay, next I'm just going to add 1 large egg. And unfortunately, we don't have chickens. We only have 1 left, and she's not really laying. So those are store-bought eggs. And then I'm going to add 1/2 cup of avocado oil. You can use pretty much any oil here. I just prefer avocado oil. And then I'm going to add 1/3 cup of milk. This is store-bought milk, nothing fancy, just your regular old milk. And then finally, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I kind of eyeball this here too. I just like things to have a little bit more of a vanilla taste. And then I'm going to mix all of these ingredients together. Next, I'm going to add in 1 1/4 cup of flour and let that mix in. It's kind of hard to see, but I am adding a little bit more flour as it goes. I don't like to add it all at once just because, as you can see, the flour is already starting to move to the sides of the bowl. Look at Golden. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon salt. And here I'm adding 1 cup of fresh blueberries. I did notice that I forgot to add 1/2 cup of sour cream to this recipe, and it still turns out great. I do have my oven preheating at 375. I'm going to go ahead and take this batter and put it into the muffin pan. I do spray my muffin pans with just some regular cooking spray. I just always have a hard time. Everything sticks to my pans, probably because they're cheap, but that's what I'm going to do here. And then I'm going to portion into the muffin tray. I'm filling it up about halfway. These do rise quite a bit, so I just fill it up halfway and hope for the best. Once I have it all portioned out, I sprinkle the top with a little bit of sugar. Clearly this is Colton's favorite part. His eyes were so big. That was so cute. Yes, I'm just gonna put it over the top. I don't really measure. I just sprinkle a little bit on each one. When it cooks, it's gonna like kind of caramelize, and it gives it just a perfect little bit of sweetness on the top. Okay, the oven's ready. I'm gonna pop these in for 25 minutes. I'm actually gonna pull these blueberry muffins out of the tin and let them cool on a drying rack, just because I don't want them to like keep cooking and get too hard. So hopefully this works out well. They smell so good. Let's give one a try. So let's break it open and see. not the biggest blueberry muffin fan, but let's see. They're really good. They're really moist. Blueberries are great. The end is a little crunchy, which I kind of like. And the sugar on top is perfect.